press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Guys, welcome to IWM Buzz. So firstly, Sarika, welcome to web space. So कैसा लग रहा है to be the part of All Balaji?
Firstly, thank you and बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. It's been a fantastic experience shooting the whole web show and yeah, it's been fun.
Karan, even is your debut. So what you want to say in a web? No, कितना
It's fun.
easy है as compared to doing TV and movie?
नहीं मतलब इट्स ऐसा नहीं है कुछ इजी और डिफ़िकल्ट बिकॉज हम लोग एक्टर्स जो हैं वो उसी तरीके से परफॉर्म करते हैं कोई भी मीडियम हो इट्स विल बी द सेम. तो बट ये अच्छी बात है कि हमारे जो ऑडियंस है वो कभी भी कहीं पे भी हमारा शो देख सकते हैं. फ़ोन पे भी देख सकते हैं और ट्रैवलिंग करते हुए देख सकते हैं. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. सो दे नॉट लिमिटेड टू वन पर्टिकुलर चैनल और वन मतलब या ऑल बालाजी बट नॉट लिमिटेड टू वन पर्टिकुलर टाइम और वन काइंड ऑफ स्क्रीन दैट दे हैव.
So I want to know about your character. जितना जॉली नेचर दिख रहा है तो उसके आगे कितना ट्विस्ट होने वाला है उसके कैरेक्टर के पीछे?
वो जॉली एक्स्ट्रा है क्योंकि उसकी बैक स्टोरी है तो वो किसी बैक स्टोरी को छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहा है इसलिए वो इतना जॉली है. वो मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता हूँ कि बैक स्टोरी क्या है. वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, and yours character will be about like
मेरा कैरेक्टर जॉली
it's like
नहीं है. So yeah, so Sakshi का कैरेक्टर बहुत I play Sakshi. She's a cop and she's leading the special task force. तो बहुत ही serious character है and she believes in following the rules. She believes in following what is written in the books and she just believes in doing the right things. And that's how she solves the cases as opposed to how Karan's character solves.
How was the Zahid reaction after seeing the promo?
Ji?
How was Zahid?
Zahid's reaction? He really enjoyed it. So yeah, he's just waiting to see the whole show now.
Okay.
But yeah, but it's a.
Is he posting now? No.
He doesn't use Instagram hardly.
Yeah.
So he's not really into social media. But whenever I can, I do it for him. So I'll do it now that you've reminded
Okay,
me.
what is that one thing you love about this web series and you said yes for this web series?
I think the way it was written, the whole show, I think it's got a mix of everything. It's got comedy, it's got like a thriller element, it's got like a mixture of everything, and of course my character as well, and the way Karan's and my character's camaraderie is. It's a very well written show, so yeah, it was like a.
And Karan, you, why you said yes for this show?
Similar reasons actually because it's a show that has got a complete mix of everything when we talk about entertainment. तो सब मसाला भी है और सीरियसनेस भी है और कॉमेडी भी है और एक्शन भी है तो और नाम है उसका बॉस तो व्हाई नॉट.
So any planning for the season 2 also?
प्लानिंग तो हो गई है ऑलमोस्ट स्क्रिप्ट वाइज. आप लोग देखेंगे आपको अच्छा लगेगा तो हम लोग फिर season 2 we'll start shooting.
So don't you think guys कि web series will take over the TV serials or TV or movie something?
See, everything in the world is going to be on a digital platform. मतलब as evolution continues, that's what is going to happen. And everywhere, everyone's going to be watching everything online. So eventually, I think I'll give it about 3-4 years maybe for it to completely take over.
3-4 seasons.
No. Why? One season a year. We should do 2-3 at least.
Okay, 2-3 seasons a year.
Because we in India we have like 5-6 seasons. Hot, very hot, very very hot.
So any special preparation you have done for this character, no, to be a super cool cop?
Super cool. I didn't really need to do much. No. नो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि उसका बैक स्टोरी क्या है और वो ऐसा क्यों है, वो जानना हमेशा बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो वो थोड़ा रिसर्च उसके जैसे कैरेक्टर्स को देखकर और उसके बारे में थोड़ा रीड करके, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट आई डिड फॉर दिस शो. व्हाट डिड यू डू?
What you have done?
I learned how to ride a bike.
Yeah.
No, but also I think just the way Sakshi's character is, she's very very serious. So even if I'm like joking around before the take, as soon as the take,
Yeah.
we get to take, I had to like really get into. So Ayaz would say, no. So Ayaz would say, Sarka, show your serious look. So I
Yeah.
had that serious look like
She
right there.
Yeah.
So I think but it was fun. So I mean,
Ayaz doesn't have that look, but he doesn't have a serious look.
he has.
Whenever he tries to look serious, he looks constipated.
Mr. Bajaj have, I can say.
Huh?
Mr. Bajaj have the serious look.
He is only serious look. He is only serious.
Okay, who is the prankster on this set?
Who's a prankster?
Yeah.
Karan.
How am I the prankster? I don't play any pranks.
No, he doesn't actually. Ayaz.
He is the prank. That's the prank that I played on him. No, we're just all, I think, we're all always busy making fun of Tarun.
Oh yeah.
So
There was this.
he kind of doesn't really, we don't require pranks.
Yeah, we don't really have to do a prank to laugh at
Yeah,
something.
because every time Tarun walks in and Sadhika's there, his tongue rolls out into a red carpet, and then she walks on it and he'll be like, and then that's enough. We don't need a prank. Wait, somebody's tongue coming out and rolling into a red carpet there. Damn. That's we don't need pranks.
Yeah.
Damn.
Thank you so much.